And there's one on the pavement. Oh, jumping the lights. Kid on board as well. That's pretty scummy. Oh, jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Prat on the pavement. Jumping the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. Oh, there's another one cycling on the pavement there. Jumping the lights. Another twat there cycling on the pavement. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. And there's one on the pavement. King idiot. Fuck's sake. Scumbag on the pavement there. You dickhead. Another prat cycling on the pavement. And there's one on the pavement. And the baseball cap goes the other way around as well. Another idiot going the wrong way up a one-way street. More on. Oh, two more. And on the pavement as well. A trio of twats. An idiot. Oh, brilliant. He's finally figured out what the road's for. Well, not quite. Another twat on the pavement. And there's a little turd on the pavement on a stolen handbag. And there's another one on the pavement. What a dick. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights part 2. And one on the pavement. Jumping the lights! Look at that hillock on the wrong side of the road there. Jumping the lights! Bloody idiot! Show me the lights! Right on the pavement there. Oh, it's a trio of twats jumping the lights. Twat number one, twat number two, and twat number three.